a like. Never know what somebody might do for a like. 1,000 likes, 100 likes. Oh yeah. Want y'all better my tea? Yes, cut up on both sides. I'm still working on it, but I was like, put it on. So when this starts stretching and when it goes into the laundry, it will, you know. Come on, son. You're going fine. Back. Let me react.
In the dark, won't get lost now.
So I'm trying to figure out, do I do an intro every time, or do I just record an intro for myself and then just replay it? First of all, guys, like, can we talk? Because there's this thing that you guys didn't tell me about and I feel heartbroken. All my videos are monetized. So local artists are just in the come up that is not signed, that they wouldn't monetize me, send me so that I can react to you if you are bold enough, because we only spit facts and we spit truth and we spit bars and we spit I don't know why that was necessary to do, but performed by Bushido. Bushido. It's Bushy though. So we were reacting to him today, and they sent me a clean version. I like it. You know, you gotta look up people's ears. But anyway, I've been gone a while. Let me jump on this. Let me get into this, and then we'll have some further discussion because I'm just excited to react. We'll talk everything life in the system. You guys know what that. Did you see that? Did you see that? Whoa, it's getting better, man. It's getting better. Follow me on TikTok. Alright? Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, I like that intro. Did you hear how that you know, who mastered this, who produced the beat, who's behind this beat, Too much what? Can mop it up? Let's listen. Too much what to pop it up? To mop it up, sorry. To pop it up. To pop.
Yo, bikini sloppy tongue. I'm too popular. Too much drink can't mop it up. Want that guap, cough it up. Yo, bikini sloppy tongue. I'm too pop. Ay, I'm too popular. I'm too pop. Ay, I'm too popular. I'm too popular. Too much drink can't mop it up. Want that guap, cough it up. Yo, bikini sloppy tongue.
What is he saying? Because my mind is sexual innuendoing right now. What is he saying? Let's go back a little. Because honestly, I'm like, do I hear jizz? Or is it too much jick to mop it up? And you know, sometimes, like I've tried to react to even the local artist that has made it in South Africa. Lyrics is a no-show on Google. So I think we need to really, you know, look up on that. Obviously I would ask the lyrics, but like this is a good reference to everyone that is sending me songs. Drop your lyrics in there too, because I don't want to mix anything up or misinterpret anything, because you know, it might be a good song and then I don't hear it and then I say it's a bad song. You know what I mean? Your chick gives me what? Sorry, man. These hoes ain't loyal. No, they ain't. These hoes ain't loyal. Not even. Dude, Not even on a local level are these hoes loyal. So, why is the light going on now? Okay, let me change the light settings. And then the next time I'm working on my setup, guys. Don't worry, I'm working on my setup. I'm working on a cute little area that's just gonna be specifically for Rose Reacts or Wyona Rose Reacts, because you still can't find me on Google, on YouTube. And that's the thing, like there's so many, but never mind, let's get into the song.
I'm geeking, I got your bitch for the weekend. Hey, she loving my couch, she calling her friends, so we finna get to the freaking. That's your bitch.
Just so you know, I got your girl for the weekend. Flex, that's flex culture though, right there. That's a flex culture, dude. Not only do I got your girl for the weekend. I make that look exciting. It's not exciting, they're lying. For the males, I think it's exciting, but for the females, show me a female that has fun with all these. Difference in opinion, difference in life.
She loving my couch, she calling her friends, so we finna get to the freaking. That's your bitch, you tripping, you tweaking. Because you was sleeping. Got some best from the west to the east, and I be living that shit you dreaming. You be coming because you be trying to.
First of all, clearly he's using too many. And you know what? Don't even feel sorry, because there's this thing on YouTube where there is a either kids can view it or kids cannot view it. So please send me the dirty ones and not the clean ones. Come on, let me wash the laundry. You bring them dirty. Let me wash them. Let me put your laundry out into the world. Even if the world is this close and personal to my face, seeing all my imperfections. Guys, this is my natural nails. Can you like just take a second to appreciate? Just take a second to appreciate this kind of nail item I'm giving you. This is a nail kind of life. I'm trying to scratch myself there, but this is nails. I'm too popular, too popular.
I'm too popular, I'm too popular. So much shit can't pop it up. What that pop it up? Yo, bikini sloppy tongue.
Sloppy what? Is it like a thing that females can give males? Y'all are dirty culture. Now someone watching this is gonna be like, don't act like you ain't dirt. Reformed. But I still react. I can still dissect. I still rap about bitches even, but I don't even want to say bitches. Yes, I'm strict on myself. I'm that kind of Christian.
Run up on me, bet that you can get popped. Your shorty hit me up, I told her to stop it. Cutting the profit, now I'm popping.
Dude, get a hold on your chick. Do you see this man is like trying to get his dough, and your chick doesn't want to leave him alone at all. She wants bread. She wants her bread buttered both sides. Show me. Both sides, she wants her bread buttered. Okay, guys. You know these chicks like money. Same as you. Why are you complaining? You must know once you give her a big ding, she gonna come back screaming FOMO. Don't give good D then. Don't do it. Bitch, be crazy.
What that pop it up? Don't bet that you can get popped. Your shorty hit me up, I told her to stop it. Cutting the profit, now I'm popping.
Also, he's saying, run up on me. Don't you even dare run up on me, man. Slap him in the face, girl. Kick him in the face, girl. Slap him in the nuts. Hiya. Cha. Mom, love don't cost a thing, y'all.
Because I be stylish, why you be wildin'? In front of me because I done got it, Hey, smoking up gas, that's top. I'm too popular. Hey, pull up on me if I take your bill. Ain't no stopping, Hey,
It's the truth. Fellas, let me tell you one thing. You cannot stop a chick. You cannot. She has a mind of her own. If You are not mind controller. You are not even controller of nothing. You think you controlling Kanti. She's out here doing these things. It's not all females, because, you know, I'm loyal. Yes.
Get on me and she digging the fit. I'm smelling like Guala, bro. Hey, I got me some back, but it's not enough. Give me the guap and I count it up. I'm too popular.
So I like the beat. I like your flow, man. Like, I'm too pop. You know, there's a lot of people that have lyrics, but they don't have the flow. And there's a lot of people that don't have nothing entirely together. So the fact that you have the beat and the flow and a nice little chorus, like, oh yes, and then coming to the lyrics, like, to my taste, it really sounds like all the flashy type of songs we heard pop star back now. Pop star had bars. There was a lot of things muted, and maybe a lot of things that I ran over. So if I didn't get a punchline, if I didn't get anything particular that you guys heard or that you guys found, comment down below if I missed anything. But for the most part, it was basically just culture, just having a good time, just flexing. It's a flex song. It's a flex. We live in a flex culture, so flex. To me, I like listening to inspiration rather than flex. If you can give me inspirational flex, but what he's doing also, he's also just entertaining the culture, and also not entertaining the culture, he's also letting you know what your chick is doing. He's letting you know what your chick is doing. Not only what your chick's doing, what your chick is telling you she doing, but she ain't doing it. And that she keeps on my line, and I don't even want her on my line.
I'm too pop, ay, I'm too popular. I'm too pop, ay, I'm too popular. I'm too popular. So much shit can't pop it up. What that pop it up? Yo, bikini sloppy tongue, ay.
It's refreshing because it really shows you that, you know, on an international level, on a national level, and on a local level, our boys sound like they should be, you know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You already know, comment down below, subscribe, share, like this video, whatever those little buttons are, but you already know what to do with them, so do it. I will be back with another reaction video, and hopefully I won't get monetized, because I'm even working on like a little, you know, backdoor, you know, just, I'm too popular, man. I don't even know how to end this, because I'm too popular. I'm too popular. I'm too popular. See you guys in the next one. Bye. It's a good flex song. I love this flex because I'm like, I can vibe to this. I won't be in the club, but I can vibe to this in the club. I can vibe to this at home. Yeah, man. That's as good as the reaction's gonna get. Me selling myself. So that you can send me a songs to react to it, and I'm doing a poor job. No, I'm not. It's just... For the likes. What would you do for a like? Oh no, I'm recording.